Hey, let me show you how you can easily pair Redmi Buds 4 Active with any Android smartphone. So first of all, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside this charging case. And next, all you have to do is just to charge your device for like 5 to 10 minutes. Next, when you open this case, you can actually find this information that the left and the right earbud is actually blinking once. So it actually means that they are right now in the pairing mode. So you have to keep that case open, put it close into your Android phone, and on your phone you will have to actually enter for the settings. Now you have to go into the connected devices, select pair new device, and from this list you have to select Redmi Buds 4 Active. So click on them once. Now just wait for the pairing request. Accept the pairing. And now, as you can see, we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.